You have a RCA Roku TV. I'm going to show you how to install as well uninstall apps, okay? Very simple here. So first thing, let me just show you how to uninstall apps. What you need to do is just go to your home and then find the app that you want to go ahead and uninstall. So for instance, I'm going to go ahead and remove the Showtime. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight the Showtime. And now go ahead and grab your remote and you want to press the asterisk key or the start button right here. So press on that and then this menu or window here will pop up. And if you move up, we can remove channel. Let's go ahead and remove this. I'll go up. I'll click on remove Showtime. And now you can see it's gone. Now if you want to go and add a channel, let's go ahead and just press on the home button again and then move over to the right. And now we want to go all the way down. And to add like an app, you add channels. So go ahead and click on add channel right there. Now you can go ahead and look through this list featured. You can see what if there's any apps here that you want or whatnot. Or you can go down here, you can go down to recommended, and you also have a search here. So if we go to search, and for example, let me go ahead and download and install Showtime, put it back on this TV. So now I'm just going to do a quick search here. We'll just do SHO. Okay, so there's Showtime right there. To move over to the right. Let me move down one. So here's Showtime. Okay, let me go ahead and click on OK on the remote. And now add channel is highlighted. Let me go ahead and click on that add channel and give it 1 second here. Okay, so the app or channel has been added. Let me click on OK. Now click on the home button here. And now we can see, oops, let me click on home. Move over to the right. And now we should have Showtime back up here. Now it's all the way down here. Okay, now the thing is, if I want to move it back where it was, what you can do is go ahead and highlight the app again and then press the start button again or the asterisk key. And then you have over here it says move channel. So if I click on move channel, now I can go ahead and just move this wherever I want. So let's just say I'll just put it, oops, let me go down. I'll put it next to Roku channel and I'll click on OK. And now when I click on the home button and move over, you can see the Showtime app is right next to the Roku channel app. So pretty simple. Good luck.